Hello everyone, this is Matt Miller here at Burtness Motors in Whitewater. I just want to give you a quick walk around of the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JL. Great rims and tires on this one. Very clean interior. Leather seating surfaces. This one's also got the grab handles too if you need them for off-roading. This also comes with a soft top. Dual top. You can do the soft top during the summer and put the hard top on during the winter. Keep you warmer and a little more secure. Great vehicle, well kept. This one's got about 32,000 miles on it. All-weather mats, power windows, power locks. Navigation on the radio, heated seats, heated steering wheel, plenty of connectivity, all your off-road, full off-road package. Of course, four-wheel drive with a four-wheel drive low for rock crawling. It's really a nice one, well kept. If you're in the market for a nice Rubicon, call us here at the store, 262-473-8080, or you can continue to work online with our online sales staff. Thank you, everyone.